The country is in a state of lawless violence. President Duterte made the declaration because of a number of security issues, the most recent of which was the Davao City blast which killed 14 people. A major business group admits investors are jittery about the issue.
So there will always be a chilling effect as far as investors are concerned. Investors are like that.
They are calling on Mr. Duterte to do more than just declare a state of lawless violence. The Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry urges the president to resolve the security issue as soon as possible.
If he can show that he is control, the comeback, the return of all of this is that the investors will further increase their investment beyond what they were planning.
Others, such as the exporters, believe the Davao incident has limited impact.
The concern of foreign investors, profit. They don't give a hoot sino sa mga Pilipino mamamatay so long as their investment is protected.
But the equities market took a hit. It shed 0.5% at the close of Monday's trading. Analyst Astro Del Castillo believes the Davao blast initially spooked the market.
Usually, whenever there's a threat in peace and order, the financial markets are also in the front line. Most Asian markets were up today, except us.
But he says the impact is negligible and temporary. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.